again here as a demonstration. So suppose after opening the modeling, opening a new sketch page, just will follow that drawing. Where was can you see this screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yesterday we facing problem to do these sketches, no? So we will try again. Following this way and taking parallel line this way. Up to this. So sketch was like this. So one by one we will give dimension here. So this was 2 and another was 1 second. This was 2, okay, and this one was 4. You open this drawing is somewhere side, and this was 4, and from this point to this it was 19 half, 19 half, 19 half, and okay, and you select this and drag this way, okay. And this portion and this line to this line it was 15 half, 15 half, okay. And this was it was 6, it was 6, click outside. It was 6, and this to this aligned distance it was 2. It will come with 2 distance mode. So it will come 2, and this this height was 4. Click on that, click outside, and this to this axis it was 55 half. Again coming very odd way, so you just select these 2 lines and drag this way. When placing the dimension one by one, if some cases the figure taking very bad shape, then you adjust the shape, stretching the other portion. Which one we can stretch here? Only those are in little yellow color. Those are become black, they already under defined mode, so we cannot move this black sketches. Those are not defined, which is in yellow color, only we can stretch them and adjust them. Now this is half of a 55, and this also is it will 2. The remaining thing is this will be 7, 7, 14, 14, 15, 19, 18, 19, 2. Okay, this is not defined, no. So how we can give define? Why it's not defined? You see, which direction we can move. So which direction we can move, that direction the dimension not provided, so for that it is not defined. So that way we can guess that why it is not defined. That means it is moving height wise, then height is not also, we forget to provide height also. So we have to provide height here. Height is 35. So click 35, click on dimension, so some portion becomes defined. Now remaining thing is 435 height, this is this angle is 21.3. This angle 21.3. Okay, I also was not sure that after giving the angle it will become defined sketch. So sometimes may create problems, so we have to do little patiently. So here anyway it becomes defined. So defined means sketch is correct. So now you see all these sketches is become black mode, and here you get the message fully defined. Now this you recheck this value, is any missing the somewhere any mistake or not. So you check that all the dimension for 27.5, 55 double half, and this is 6. You recheck. And this is 6, this will be 6, and rest of it 6, 4, it will 2, and there will be 14 and sorry 15, and up to this point up to 19. So after creating this you have to finish this sketch up to this. Okay. So after doing this, you have to finish this case here. So you have to finish this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So up to this, is any confusion?
No, sir. No, sir.
So maybe you may stuck with somewhere to create these sketches. So
Mm.
you just when you try this portion, you do a little carefully, give sufficiently. So after this, you have to revolve this. This is a cross section of a body. This revolve part. So this revolve part, if you cut this way, then we will get this cross section both sides. So one side we are creating, then we are revolving 360 degree, then this will become a solid. So now you have to revolve these things. So previously we created some portion. We created some portion, this one and this part. So I delete this part, suppose, and if you show this, so this do both sketches showing same. Okay, so because sketch are same, no, so one sketch we are hiding here. And applying revolve our last sketch on the last sketch. So select revolve or select sketch and then revolve, select revolve. So suppose you select the sketches, or from here also you select and click on the revolve, then revolve curve is already you will take that what you have selected last. Then these are the direction. These are the direction of curve selection. So next to parameter is required parameter is vector direction. I mean to say revolve axis. This is revolve axis, and uh, this is origin point of revolve axis. Uh, so specify vector. So generally, what axis it will be? It will be this axis. No, this
Yes.
this axis we have to revolve. So when you click on that, the all the direction will appear here. So from here you have to pick. So suppose you keep your cursor showing z axis. If you keep here also it's z axis, and all this if you keep sometime it will show what axis it is. So if you click on that, automatically you will take axis, default axis means this default axis, and it will revolve the all provided sketch with the respect of this axis. In some cases these things is not visible. At that point these things is helpful. Here both things is visible, is available also in this screen, but some cases this coordinate system become invisible. At that point you have to choose the axis with the help of these things and these things. So now here I am selecting z axis from here, or keep your cursor here, it will blink z axis, click on that. Then it will revolve, and in this part you will see the resulted part as a preview. This is preview this way, and if you want some particular angle, here you can choose angle, and there how many type of revolve you can do. Value, this is only value mode. Symmetric modes means both side with some particular distance. Until selected means up to which you want to revolve. So here we will take simple mode 1, and if you double click on that, it will not change here too much. It's just only give the direction. So symmetric body, so it is we not able to see any changes here. after changing the direction. So here we will confirm it. It is single operation, so we will press OK to close this tab after this operation. Hmm. So these are
Sure.
first body. And on this body, if you imagine this one is your front plane. If you press F8, then it is coming to front. Okay, now this is your front. So if you come to drawing, you see this is the cross section of a front plane uh, with in the mid position. So it is cutted with mid plane. And to cut, you just rotate this body and if cut in that direction, so press F8. So if you cut in that direction, y direction, cut in that way, then you will get that things. Now if you come this drawing here, if you see this part is situated in that place when you are seeing this body in that way. And this is and the body is cutted in that way. So if body is cutted in that way, in some places, this sub part is places along the line of cutting plane. Okay, so this part is situated along the line of cutting plane, and either this side or this side you can take. And at that point we are getting this cross section, and we have created this cross section. So this way you can take, or you can take this way also. If you take this way, both this round view both are same. So if you consider this way, then at the cutting of this mid plane through mid plane, one another sharp part is situated in the left side. So if you consider this one, then it will be here. But both subpart have some particular angle. Though these two subpart is situated with some particular angle, they are not in same line. They are not in same line. So either we have to start from here or we have to start from here. So suppose we will start from here. Suppose so if we want to go this to create this one, we have to follow this one. This portion you see, first we will create this one at 21.5 degree line, and this all line will be reference line, and we'll create a line here. But before we will take mid plane as a sketch plane. In the mid plane, because it is situated in a mid plane here. So in a mid plane we will draw this line and this line, following this dimension, and this angle, and also this dimension also. Then we will create up to this. Then we will create a plane here. uh, Create a plane here, and we will sketch this cross section. So go to sketch, and little tilt the body, and again we have to select sketch here and select mid plane. Mid plane, and place OK. So now we are in mid position. We have to sketch. So what we do, we will take a line here, a little pan it, a little zoom out, take a line in that way. hmm? uh, Approx parallel visually you take this way, exit here, and do that line, do this point, shift somewhere, do this point to here is no, so already this point is upon this line, so only you have to place this line in point to upon this line. uh, we are not able to pick this line, so what we have to do, we have to we have to what we can do here, 1 minute, we have to track this line. If manually we are not able to pick this last value, as it is doing, not able to doing here, so what we do, we just project these things here, no other option. So project this line, hmm, this one, hmm, this one, hmm, apply. Now you cancel this and select to convert to reference, and click on the last endpoint, click on the last endpoint and click on the reference line, and then the possible constant he will show you, other will hide automatically. So these things how to use, we are facing after previous 4 5 classes. So day by day we will clear that things, this is very important, we will see how to use this portion. So as we choose one by one, he is showing the option what will possible constant. So this is possible constant, click on that, so it will coincide. hmm? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Another things is this angle, so this line is available, this line, so click between these two line or axis, uh,
Mhm.
no, this line and this axis, linear length, he is showing linear length not required. hmm?
Mhm.
So click on that and click on the axis. If you click on that, you click on the axis, and then angle comes. Okay.
Mhm.
Or first click on the axis, imaginary axis, then click on the element line, then angle will come.
Sure.
Then value is 21.5. mm.
Mhm.
next
Yes.
part is next part is this line. We have to create a line with 13.5 height, 1115 angle. So create a line like this. uh, Create a line like this, and uh, this height will be from this axis to this end point. हाँ सर.
ये अपना पीसी से मैं उस पेन ड्राइव में डाटा शिफ्ट करने के लिए ऑन कोड रखा है।
अच्छा
आप
ठीक.
चेक कर लो, हो जाए तो पेन ड्राइव का आपके पास रख देना या उधर ही छोड़ देना।
सर मैं तो 6 बजे चल ये कर लूँगा.
हाँ कोई नहीं, तो उसको चालू ही रहने दीजिए
हाँ
ना।
चालू रहने देते, लॉक कर
कल
देते
देख लीजिए,
कल.
कल
हाँ
आके देख लीजिए,
कल
फिर
आके.
मैं कभी आऊँगा तो देख
हाँ
लूँगा।
हाँ ठीक है सर. आप अभी जा रहे हैं सर? ठीक है. और सब ठीक है सर? ठीक है
बस
सर.
उसको बंद करना अभी थोड़ा देर में, मैं ऑन करके ही जा रहा हूँ।
ठीक है सर. So this will be 13.5. mm, and this angle, this line and this line angle will be, so it is showing here. So if our required angle is different, then hold that line, select and hold and drag to your place.
Yes, sir.
hmm. Then it will show the line in your place position. So 111.5. Okay. Now one thing's remaining here, that is the end point is very important. uh, so end point, we see here the the things is this line to this portion to this portion, this line, this line, you see this line. So where this sketch will be made, sketch will be prepared to that line, that plane. From sketch plane to that line, parallel distance will be 11. So what we do, we will make this line, we will give a dimension here, this point to this line. Okay, so this point to this line, it will be 11. If some cases is unable to pick this way, then what you do, you just offset that line by this one and take offset 11 mm, then cut, and with the help of trim you cut extra portion, then you will get up to this. Some way is not able to pick the things one single step, at that moment is taking this, but all these cases not for taking. So this will be 11, then we will get the end point here, and at the help of this end point we have to start remaining things, means sketch plane, we have to create sketch plane here. So this will be 11, recheck all this value, it will be 11 and 111.5, and remaining angle it will be 21.5, and this value will be 13.5, and it will be touch here. So now we have to finish here, but you should remember that this line will become at last a reference line. Okay, will become reference line, because if you finish here you will get these two lines. Okay, in some cases to create a plane, this line may create problem. When you able to pick these things, it will select whole sketches. So let's try. So select a plane, return plane, then you come here, track that this endpoint. So he is guessing with infrared mode. So in this case he is able to track, but some software in different software work differently. Here he able to guess, able to pick this, even this line is not a convert to reference. So if we some cases we face problem to pick this endpoint, then come back, enter the sketches, and also convert to this line as a reference line. Then it will able to pick exact, because he only want to create that place is curve endpoint. So at that point one curve will be there, no double curve, just like this one. So this is our plane. Okay, so on that plane we have to sketch. So these things we have to sketch. So these things here, you see center to center is 20, and this is R4, radius 4, and 3.5 is this value, and here 2.5 is inside circle, uh, and outside circle is 3.5 radius. So here is a radius, here is a diameter. You have to see, and this value, how much this value is given, not here. Here we see inside is inside means this circle is 14 diameter, and the outside is 18. Outside means this one, this outside 18. So 14 and 18 dia have. So two circle we have to create first, 14 and 18. So now zoom out, little becoming very slow now. So you select the plane and select the sketches. Okay, so sketch origin come in different place, right? Here sketch origin is coming. So suppose we want to change the sketch origin. So what need to do, finish here, and also you delete this sketch, last sketch. You uh, you you hide these things, body, uh, also hide this one. Finish this and enter, double click on that and expand this their region. To select better way. Now a little rotate like this, and select sketch and try to pick this endpoint, where this sketch here, this endpoint. So we have to select infra origin. You select, try is able to pick or not. No. So on the plane we will select, not able to track. Okay, so what we do, we see just as we keep your cursor on the required plane, it taking that. So that point is not very favorable. So no other option, he is not showing us very good option here. So just select this and you click on that point. Okay, and that point you pick that point by left click. Okay, and drag it to that curve endpoint, and left there, leave this. Then you able to move the origin your required position. Okay, understand? You also you can change the direction here, this way, little move the direction. This way you can change these things. So you understand how to change the origin.
Correct. Yes, sir.
Then first we have to select the plane. Then origin is not coming properly. Then what origin is coming, you pick the origin and drag it to your reference preferred endpoint. And press OK. Now see, our origin is exactly placed on the endpoint of the curve.
Yes, sir.
So it's little help us to fix the remaining sketches. Now you have to start the figure one by one. One is 14, another is 18. One is 14, another is 18. Then in difference of 20, this 20 will be this part. So this circle value, inside circle value diameter 2.5. So take 2.5, press tab, change this one, and place the circle with 2 point diameter circle upon this axis. There will be a gap, because you come to see this, there is a gap, right? So we should not touch this inside circle.
Yes, sir.
So place somewhere like this, and also other side also same diameter. And again come to sketch 2.5 diameter, 2 value, and another circle will be 3.5, radius will be 3.5. So two circle, these outside circles. So 3.5 radius, that means diameter will be how much? So 3.5 radius, so diameter will be into 2, into 2, and press enter, then diameter will be 7. So 7 we have to uh, place in this same center. Okay. How you track this? uh, this way you track, keep your cursor on some second and track this way.
Mhm.
uh, Doing problem to place this in going vanish. So again take circle if you're doing problem in that way. So we have to snap the center point. Okay, properly we have to snap it, pan it, keep this and zoom it, again moving very quick, little quickly you have to do this. Okay. So this will be 7. Convert to radius, place other places, and now define the dimensions this center to center. This point, center point to track its center point, this point. Now dimension showing, automatic dimension, click on that and define. It will be 20, press 20 and place, click on dimension and define it. Now one circle is shifted. Okay. So this will be equally placed from this axis, so symmetric, that is symmetric constant. So how you do? So first you choose this center point and again choose this center point, then you see this
mm,
constant is available. Hmm. So here we have to place we have to symmetric this way. So click on symmetric. If not work that way, then you select this point, or do this way possible. No, this way also is become vanishes. No. So if selection way not working, so go to the manually make symmetric, then select the
okay.
center point and also this center point, and select this axis. Hmm? uh, Stationary curves is only able to move, no? So where is stationary curves? Hmm. So what you do? Mm, you manually do in that or you delete this. You delete this. You move this. Control Z. You move is doing that, no? So you delete this dimension and do this way. This point and this point and this one, then apply for symmetric. Hmm?
Mhm,
uh, then you define dimension between the two center. Hmm? This point and this point, after giving equal constant, then you define. Hmm? Okay. If or second way, you define only dimension and then define half of dimension, next half of dimension, these two, any half, this side or other side. Hmm. Then
mhm.
that way you so if any way you face problem, do remaining way. Clear it is?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So this way we have to define their position. Now here will be fillet. Here will be fillet of radius 4, this one. Hmm? So we have to fillet here.
Mhm,
Find out where is fillet, this one. So fillet radius is 4. So click that line and that line, uh, and place radius, uh, uh, trim method. Okay. Again this line to this line, mm, this one,
mhm,
mm, and again this line to this line, place again this line to this line, place. mm. Now something this part will be trimmed, no? So
mhm,
uh, if not trimming, we have to manually trim this. Okay. Maybe we have missed some places, for that it is not trimming. uh,
mhm.
so you understand the fillet process?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then you manually trim that portion. mm, is not trimming in trim mode, fillet mode, not trimming, then trim manually. Okay. mm. Right, this way. If you're not working properly in a fillet with trim mode, if fillet trim mode is not working exactly, then you just trim manually. Now this portion you have created. hmm? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now
Yes, sir.
here one thing we have to delete, which is come to this portion. uh, these things, you see this hole in inside hole, so it's a small hole. So small hole we have to delete, this small hole we have to delete in first case, because if we extrude here, then we have to, this extrude will come up to the inside surface, up to this surface. We'll say we have to take this extrude up to this surface. hmm. So if we take this surface, take this extrude up to this surface, then there is a hole, so it will also create a hole in up to this. hmm. So in second step we have to do this. So first uh, we will um, sorry, we have to create delete this one. hmm. uh, One things we have to create up to this first, then we have to cut the hole. Okay. So because these things is cut it, so first we have to create in solid, then we have to do remaining things. So if we do in that way, then there will be a cut inside. So you up to this you first create and finish this. mm. Then you unhide this body, and uh, you hide this plane. Here sketch is remaining, no. And these things also we have to delete, otherwise operation problem will happen. You double click on that and go to sketch and select trim, and also extra portion we have to trim, and then close it, finish it. Mm. So I don't know first operation how much it is, so I forget. So I have to take test it in first extrude operation. So select extrude and select these sketches, this sketch. hmm? It is loading. uh, so direction is outside, we have to change the direction. hmm? So you see how first extrude is coming. hmm?
Yes, sir.
This way. uh, so change the direction this way. Okay. So you see this is uh, uh, mm, so this hole will go up to inside, no, up to this surface. uh, Up to this surface. So uh, if you take inside surface in a value, if you take uh, until selected you select for surface, then you select, you rotate, slightly rotate this figure, and select this inside surface. uh, this inside surface. Then what happened, uh, wait, uh, no, he's not able to perform. So select until extended and select this. Oh no, reset this, select this curve, mm, and change the value, change the direction, uh, change the direction, and then in value you select until next. uh, these things is coming this way, no? So infrared, not it should be uh, this, no, you have to do here carefully. Okay, what is this? This value is important here. uh, In value, start value is value, take value. uh, 1 minute. Here you have to do a little patiently. Okay.
Mhm.
Mm. These things also matter. So we are taking infrared. In
Mhm.
infrared, we know if already in there is body is cut it most of time, no? So he is subtracting that part. So here not infrared. Here will be unite, because body will be there. So in this mode, here these things in unite mode, uh, it will go up to uh, until selected. You select and select this face, how it's coming. So this way is coming, no? uh, Here start option will be value and distance will be 0. Okay, so it will start normally, and end option we have to change. End option we have to change. So in end option we will take up to this. mm, uh, so until selected, if we select this one, yes, uh, so start value will be normal value and value will be 0, and in end condition it will depends. In end option we will select until selected. Until selected means some cases, some software it is defined as a surface, until surface, until face. Here is this is called until selected. That means what you select as a face or surface, that will consider as a until selected. Hmm. Until extended means if something is boundary have, then until extended we select boundary like this. So until selected, that means it depends upon your selection. So you select that face, so these things is coming up to this. Okay, so until selected you choose here, and this mode will be united. In boolean mode it will be united. hmm. Then you take preview, take a little preview, and check it. Okay,
Okay.
these things. And also the hole will cut, come to drawing. uh,
Okay.
Here how much hole passes, fully passes or single pass, not mentioned, no.
Uh-huh.
So you only take up to the what we have done, up to this. Okay, up to this you take, and first case you create up to this and apply here. hmm. Hmm. In next step use again, next part you have to select, create. Then what you do, take a sketch and select that face, huh? that face that face
Okay.
that face. Consider origin will be in a mid position. If not, then you have to adjust a little bend it. Hmm. So maybe it's tracking the origin point, center point. If not, some so you hold that, uh, and drag this, uh, somewhere you have to drag, just lacking now. So that, see, shifted somewhere else. So you click on that, and keep your cursor on that circle boundary, uh, then he will able to show you the center point. At that point you come to center, uh, uh, come to center, exactly you able to place on the center point. hmm. This way. So carefully you have to do, little deviation error come. So I repeat this, reset this, and following default center origin. So slowly moving my cursor towards center of the circular face. Okay, then he will able to track the center. Then at the in that condition click on the faces, then this point will be exactly origin point, and place OK. uh, or change the axis, uh, change axis direction, double click on it, changing this way. Okay, clear, Akshay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This way you have to properly select the origin. Now you have to create this that circle.
Center hook.
uh, how much it was, 18, right? check it. 14. It was 14. 14. And close this, finish it, and or you can as a whole is possible. No, a whole also possible. We last we discussed no whole, but I forget to take. Later you will take. When you do, you will take a whole. Now you extrude that and select the sketches. System becomes slow, no? So this will be infrared. Infrared. If infrared coming properly, then you take or not, then you take subtract. And value first, start value will be value, and value will be 0. From 0 it will start exactly from sketch, and where it will end option take until selected. uh, until selected uh, until selected, and slightly move. uh, Very lacking, sorry. mm, mm. Until selected, where selected you select this face. Okay, and up to this faces the whole will come. See the preview up to this, and press OK. Understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this way we'll create this part. You have a time or close here will.
Yes, sir. We close.
Okay, so next class we'll do that part. Okay, this
Yes,
part.
correct.
Next class we will discuss that part. Next class
Well,
means Monday, no?
Mon-
Monday.
uh,
Yeah, tomorrow will not possible to take class for. I will
okay.
not there. So today will
Okay.
be off. Sorry,
Yes, sir.
tomorrow will be off, and
Yeah.
next will come in Monday.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Akshay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.